How to connect your Sidra app to MetaMask. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect your MetaMask to your Sidra app. So let's go. Once you come to your Sidra app, you are going to see connect your personal wallet, and they require external wallet. They are recommending MetaMask. So for us to connect this successfully, we are going to use an external browser called Mrs. Browser. So go over to your Play Store. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store and search for Mrs. Browser. So let's search for Mrs. Browser. Once you see it, you are going to install it if you don't have. But if you have it, you tap on it to open. So this is our Mrs. Browser or Mrs. Browser, whichever one. So you are going to search for SidraChain.com. You are going to log into your Sidra app using your Mrs. Browser. So we are going to search here SidraChain.com. Then you search for it. So once you bring it, it will redirect you to get started. Thereby you click on this KYC port. Tap on this KYC port. Allow it to connect. So we are going to sign in to continue. Whichever one you want, depending on your mode of logging in. Depending on your mode, you can continue with your Google, you can continue with Microsoft, but you can continue with passkey. Whichever method that you are using to sign into your Sidra app, you need to follow that method. So I'll click on signing in with passkey so that I can continue. Give it time to load. So it is taking time. I can as well change to continue with Google. Let me continue with Google. I need to put my password so that I can continue. So coming to your Mrs. Browser, you click on this extension. Tap on this extension. Click on the extension again. We are going to search for MetaMask extension. Search for MetaMask. So you are going to see MetaMask Chrome Web. Tap on this particular one. So this is the extension. So we are going to add it to home Chrome. Can you see? Can you see add to Chrome? Let me zoom it. Can you see it here? Add to Chrome. You add it. So say click on OK. Give it time to load. Once it is being added, it's going to show remove. So you have to wait for it to add to the Chrome. Can you see it's now added? What is showing here is now removed from Chrome. So if you click on it, you remove it. So I'm stuck here. It has been signing in for some time now, and it's still showing signing in. So what I'm going to try again is to click on this password sign in. Tap on it. Now you remember the email you use and password. Let me try this method and know if it will work this time around. So I'm going to put my email address and password, the email you use for your Sidra. As I have as well tried to continue with Google, it's still not working. So let me try this last one. If it didn't work, that means the site is being congested. Many people are actually on it right now. So if I try it and it didn't work out, the only solution you have is to do it late at night when the server is a little bit free so that you can do it correctly. So I'm going to put my email and continue. So after you are done putting your email and password, make sure you're showing success here. Then you click on sign. Correct. So this is the authenticator verification. So you have to go to your Google authentication and copy your KYC port Google authentication code. You know your Google authenticator. Go to that and copy your code and put here. So I've copied it. I'm going to paste it here. Then wait for this verification. Please complete this thing. Wait for the verification before you proceed. So let's give it time. It's verifying. Okay, I need to tick it. Okay. Can you see authenticator verification, verifying your code? Can you see? I have finally logged into this is my Sidra. So what I'm going to do now is to click on continue as Jennifer. Correct. I've gotten this. Sidra.com want to send notification until I choose this site. Don't send notification. I don't want. So I have finally logged into my Sidra app using Miss Browser. using Miss Prada, I have finally logged into my Sidra. So what we are going to do right now is to click on this first one, which is the MetaMask, to continue. Tap on this MetaMask. Can you see it's now showing MetaMask detected? So you can see MetaMask detected. So what you need to do is to connect wallet. Let me tap on connect wallet. It's going to redirect us. So at this point, make sure you add your MetaMask to the Chrome under this Mrs. browser. Click on the extension. Okay, my MetaMask is here. My MetaMask is here already. So you add it to Chrome. So this is my MetaMask. I'm going to log in. I have an existing wallet. I'm going to log in. So what I'm going to do right now is to import my secret phrase. You know your MetaMask secret phrase, you import it here. This is a long process, but if you take it gradually, you are going to get it right. So I'm going to copy my MetaMask recovering phrase and paste it here. If you don't know how you can find it, I will show you in your MetaMask now. So once you come over to your MetaMask, you click on these three lines at the top right. Once you tap on it, you are going to see settings. Tap on these settings. Once you tap on the setting, you are going to see security and privacy. So you tap on security and privacy. Now you can go into see review secret phrase. Once you tap on it, they are going to ask you to put your password for MetaMask. Once you put your password, you are going to see your secret phrase, then or a recovering phrase, then you copy it. So once you are done copying your recovering phrase or seed phrase, you come here and paste it, then you click on this continue. Then you click on continue here. Now MetaMask password, you need to create your MetaMask password for this Mrs. browser. You are going to create your MetaMask password. After creating your MetaMask password, you click on if I lose this password, MetaMask can't reset it. So make sure you know your password. If you lose it, that is the end of your wallet. MetaMask cannot recover your password for you. You can't even see where to click forget password. So any asset you have on the MetaMask is gone and gone for good. So make sure you know your password. So after that, you click on create. We would like to request this permission. You can opt out or delete your usage data at any time. This and that. Product update, continue. Your wallet is ready, then open wallet. So we are going to connect the wallet now. Can you see the process? It's very rigorous, but if you take it quietly, gradually you are going to get it. So you can see this is sidra.com. You click on connect. So connecting, give it time. So it's connecting. Give it time. Know is that many people are on this right now, so it's not going to be working smoothly like that. And also you need a strong network to access this. If you try it and it didn't work, do it late at night or early in the morning. So we are going to confirm this. I'm going to confirm this. Click on confirm. So look at what they said here, signature request. You need to sign this signature to show that you are the rightful owner of this and you are the one initiating this signature. And look at what they said here. Please sign into this. They will give you your whatever. They will give you your whatever here. Your signing in message. So make sure you save it somewhere. You can copy it and save it somewhere safe. Did you see that? I have finally signed in, and this is the little amount of Sidra that I have on my MetaMask. I have $2. Sorry, I have 2.99 SDA on the MetaMask. So at this stage, I have finally connected my wallet. All I need to do is to refresh. It's hanging. My phone is hanging right now. It's network, so my phone is hanging, but I'm going to still get it right. And before you start this, make sure also that in your MetaMask, you have already added Sidra costume. I have made a video last time on how to add Sidra costume to MetaMask. So I will also attach that video in the description of this video so that even if you have not added your Sidra costume network on your MetaMask, you can do it so that whichever amount of Sidra you have there is going to be showing on your wallet. So this is basically everything you need to do. So here you can now see that my account is connected, my wallet is connected. It said Your account is upgraded to self-custody. Your wallet, your keys. Sidra no longer stores or sign with your keys. What this means, you can click on it to read more about it. So this is what you need to do. And you'll be seeing the value of SD you have here. I have 1 SD in my Sidra app plus the 2 I have in MetaMask. So that is why we are seeing 3. So that is it for this video. Go and try it. Follow this method. You are going to get it right. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.